Good morning, students. So, as you know, that material which allow electric current to pass through them called conductors, and materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them called insulators. All right. So now let's collect some materials like hairpin, eraser, plastic scales, matchsticks, pens, pencil, lead. All right. Now, how do we identify which objects are conductors and which are insulators? Now let's try to understand this activity. Let's take a circuit, and here you can see here is a two open terminals A and B. Now insert the different objects like hairpin, safety pin, razor, plastic scale, matchsticks, and between the gap of A and B, and check whether the bulb glows or not. So, when we put hairpin, as you know that hairpin is made up of metals, and metal is a good conductor of electricity. So in that case, when we put hairpin here in between the gap of A and B, so in that case bulb glows, right? And when we put pencil lead in the gap of between A and B, and as you know that pencil lead is made up of graphite, and graphite is also a good conductor of electricity. So in that case bulb glows. Next thing, suppose the eraser is placed in between the gap of A and B, and as you know that the eraser is made up of a rubber, and in that situation bulb does not glow. Why the bulb does not glow? Because rubber is insulator, right? Now when we insert plastic scale between the gap of A and B, and plastic scale that made up of plastic, so in that case bulb does not glow. And when we place matchstick here, so again matchstick is made up of wood, and wood is also a bad conductor of electricity, so in that case bulb does not glow, right? So here we can conclude that the bulb glows in some cases and does not glows some other cases, right? Means when we put hairpin, when we put pencil lead, when we put pins here the between the gap of A and B, so in that case bulb glows. And when we put some other things like plastic scale, like matchstick, in that case bulb doesn't glow. So the reason behind is some materials are good conductors and some are insulators. Means when we put hairpin between the gap of A and B, in that case the bulb glows. So why the bulb glows? Because that hairpin is the conductors, and it allow to electric current to pass through it. So that's why electric current pass through the hairpin, and the bulb glows. All right. So conductors and insulators both are important for daily life, and we need both of them. For safety purpose we use insulator, and that mostly all wires are covered with a plastic layer. And you also have seen switches, uh, plugs, all are made up of insulators, right? Wire are covered with a plastic layer because that plastic is a insulator, and if we use bare wires we may get electric shock. So that's why wire are coated or covered by insulating materials such as plastic. So conductors are made up for carrying the electric or electricity, and insulator are made of for safety uses. So both are important for us, both are equally important for us even. Okay,